If you want to mirror a video in CapCut, whether you're fixing a camera angle, creating a trendy effect, or just need your clip flipped horizontally, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can mirror your video in just a few clicks. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut and make sure your project is ready. If you haven't started yet, create a new project, then import your media into the editor. You can do this by dragging your video clip into the editing timeline. Once the clip is in place, take a moment to make sure it's sitting properly on the timeline before moving to the next step. Now here's the important part. Select the clip. Click directly on the video clip in the timeline until it is highlighted with a white border. That white outline tells you the clip is active and ready for editing. If you don't select the clip first, the mirroring tools may stay hidden or grayed out, so this step is really important. Once your clip is selected, look at the toolbar directly above the timeline track. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of the quick editing options for your selected media. In that toolbar, find the mirror icon. It usually looks like two intersecting triangles facing opposite directions, and it's the tool you need to flip your video horizontally. Go ahead and click mirror, and CapCut will instantly mirror the video for you. You should see the clip flip right away, which makes it easy to confirm that the effect has been applied correctly. This is especially useful if you want to correct the direction of movement in the clip or create a mirrored look for social media content. If the result looks good, you're done. You can continue editing, add text, trim the clip, or export the final video whenever you're ready. And that's all there is to it. In just a few seconds, you've learned how to mirror a video in CapCut without any complicated steps. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.